If you're encountering the CS2 Matchmaking error 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Restart your game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official CS2 server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game client like Steam, go to your library, right-click on CS2 and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game client and install them. An outdated game can lead to matchmaking errors. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling CS2. This can fix any persistent issues that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2026 in CS2. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.